Hello dear students, welcome to the official YouTube channel of Sanjeevani Mahavidyalaya Chapoli. Here is Department of Botany, BSc first year, semester first, paper second. Name of the paper is Plant Ecology, Phytogeography and Environmental Biology. Unit first in this paper is ecological factors. Let's start the discussion on the introduction and scope of the ecology. Ecology, what is ecology? The first question is arises that what is ecology? Ecology is the study of organism, the environment and the interaction of organism and environment is known as ecology. The interaction of organisms and the environment in a particular habitat is known as ecology. That ecology can be studied in different levels: organism level, population level, community level, biosphere level or ecosystem level. The practitioner जे इकॉलॉजीचा अभ्यास करतात त्यांना इकॉलॉजिस्ट असं म्हटलं जातं. The practitioners of ecology is known as ecologist, and the first goal of the ecologist is that to understand the life process. काय गोल असायला पाहिजे इकॉलॉजिस्टचं? पहिलं एम काय असायला पाहिजे? टू अंडरस्टँड द लाईफ प्रोसेस, adaptations and their habitats. The first goal of the or primary goal of the ecologist is understanding the life processes, adaptations and habitats, interaction and biodiversity of organisms. Do you understand that? What is ecology? Who is studied the ecology? What is the level of study of ecology? And what is the goal of ecologist? Ecology is the branch of science which deals with the study of organisms and their environment, how the organisms and the environment interact with each other. That is known as ecology. Ecology can be studied in different levels. Organism लेवलवर याचा अभ्यास आपल्याला करता येतो. आणखीन थोडंसं वर गेलो आपण तर पॉप्युलेशन लेवलवर याचा अभ्यास आपल्याला करता येतो. आणखीन थोडंसं एक स्टेप अबाव जर आपण गेलो तर कम्युनिटी लेवलवर याचा अभ्यास करता येतो. बायोस्फिअर लेवलवर अभ्यास करता येतो. इकोसिस्टम लेवलवर याचा अभ्यास करता येतो. होल इकोसिस्टम, the whole world is considered as the ecosystem, giant ecosystem. या लेवलवर याचा अभ्यास करता येतो. जे प्रॅक्टिशनर्स आहेत, the practitioners of the ecology is known as ecologist. And what is the first goal of the primary goal of the ecologist? Is to understand the life processes, adaptations, habitats, interaction and biodiversity of the organism. The structure of ecosystem. The ecosystem is made up of from two components, mainly the two components, biotic components and abiotic components. And the main aim of the ecology, study of ecology, is to understand the distribution of biotic and abiotic factors. Biotic, what is biotic factor? What is abiotic factor? Biotic factors are the living components of the ecosystem. All the living components of that particular habitat or that particular ecosystem is considered as the biotic components of that ecology. abiotic components. All the non-living components that are present in that area is known as abiotic components. Biotic components, living components जे आहेत, like bacteria, viruses, animals, all the living organisms that are included into biotic components. आणि abiotic components म्हणजे all the non-living components and physical factors that are all included into abiotic components. Light आहे, temperature आहे, density आहे, whatever may be the soil आहे, different strata of the earth, these all are included into abiotic components of the environment. When you analyze the biotic and abiotic components, so generally you can understand the structure of the ecology. And when you understand general structure of the ecology, you can find out different types of ecology are present. Different types of ecology are present. Here we see some examples of different types of ecology. Global ecology. First type is global ecology. Global, you understand what is global. So in global ecology, it deals the interaction among Earth's ecosystem. We consider the Earth, whole Earth is a ecosystem. It is also known as giant ecosystem. The land present on the Earth, the atmosphere present on the Earth, the ocean that are present on the Earth. It helps to understand the large scale interaction and their influence on the planet. Globally जर आपण याचा अभ्यास केला, global ecology, whole earth is considered as an ecosystem. It is also known as giant ecosystem. The land present on the earth, the ocean present on the earth, their atmosphere that are present on the earth. याचा जर आपण अभ्यास केला तर ग्लोबली याचा काय परिणाम होतो टोटल प्लॅनेटवर, याचा अभ्यास आपण ग्लोबल इकॉलॉजीच्या माध्यमातून करू शकतो. नेक्स्ट, लँडस्केप इकॉलॉजी. लँडस्केप इकॉलॉजी इट काय याच्यामध्ये कशाचा अभ्यास केला जातो? इन लँडस्केप इकॉलॉजी इट डील्स विथ द एक्सचेंज ऑफ एनर्जी. इट डील्स विथ द exchange of energy, materials, organisms and other products of the ecosystem. Landscape ecology deals the study of exchange of energy, exchange of materials, organisms and other products of the ecosystem. Landscape ecology throws light on the role of human impacts on the landscape structure and functions. Next, ecosystem ecology. Ecosystem ecology या इकॉलॉजीमध्ये, या टाईपच्या इकॉलॉजीमध्ये कशाचा अभ्यास केला जातो? इट डील्स विथ द एंटायर इकोसिस्टम. इट डील्स विथ द एंटायर इकोसिस्टम इन्क्लुडिंग द स्टडी ऑफ लिव्हिंग अँड नॉन लिव्हिंग कॉम्पोनंट्स. इकोसिस्टम, द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ इकोसिस्टम आपण पाहिलं. इकोसिस्टम इज मेड अप ऑफ फ्रॉम टू कॉम्पोनंट्स, बायोटिक आणि अबायोटिक कॉम्पोनंट्स अँड देअर इंटरॅक्शन. याचा अभ्यास द स्ट्रीम जे आहे त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो? इकोसिस्टम म्हणतो. इकोसिस्टम इकॉलॉजी जर आपण कन्सिडर केली तर इकोसिस्टम इकॉलॉजीमध्ये कशाचा अभ्यास केला जातो? एंटायर इकोसिस्टम याचा अभ्यास केला जातो, इन्क्लुडिंग द बायोटिक आणि अबायोटिक कॉम्पोनंट्स and their relationship with the environment. This science research how ecosystem work अँड देअर इंटरॅक्शन, हे या सर्व गोष्टीचा अभ्यास आपल्याला याच्यामार्फत करता येतो. कम्युनिटी इकॉलॉजी, एक एक स्टेप आपण लोवर येतो. जायंट इकॉलॉजी, then ecosystem, giant ecosystem, then ecosystem, then community. What is community? Number of organisms, different organisms are present. Number of different organisms are present, or number of species that are found in a particular habitat. Different species are found in the habitat. That different species population is known as community. Collectively, it is known as community. And when you study the community ecology, it deals with how community structure is modified by interaction among living organisms. Ecology community is made up of two or more population of different species. Two or more population of different species of living in particular geographical area. Different species that are found in a particular habitat. Number of species are found, and that collectively is known as community. And when you study the community, the interaction between the two living organisms तुम्ही फाइंड आउट करू शकता किंवा स्टडी करू शकता. त्यांच्यावर होणारा एन्व्हायरमेंटचा परिणाम किंवा त्यांच्यामुळे होणारा एन्व्हायरमेंटवरील परिणाम, या सर्वांची स्टडी आपण कम्युनिटी इकॉलॉजीमध्ये करू शकतो. देन पॉप्युलेशन इकॉलॉजी. व्हॉट इज पॉप्युलेशन? व्हॉट इज पॉप्युलेशन? पॉप्युलेशन कशाला म्हणायचं? A single species, number of single individuals or single species that are found in habitat, and total species, that is known as population. Total of that species is known as population. And when you study the population ecology, it deals with the factor that alter the impact, the genetic composition and size of the population of the organism. Ecologists are interested in fluctuation in size of population, the growth of population, and any other interaction with the population. When you consider a particular habitat, in that particular habitat a single species is found. Number of species are found. Where you consider the population level, study of ecology in population level, then you consider a single species. The ecologists are interested in how the single species growth is carried out, how the effect of that single species on the environment, or what is the effect of environment on that single species. All these are studied in population ecology. The scientific definition or biological definition of population is that the population can be defined as a set of individuals of the same species living in a given place at a given time. Birth and immigration. Immigration, you understand that birth and immigration are the main factors that increase the population and decrease the population. Death and immigration are the main cause of decrease in the population in particular area. The population in India is more and the population in other part of the world is less. Majorly the birth rate in India is more, death rate is low, so the population is increased. All these easily find out by using the study of population ecology. What is the cause of the decrease in population? What is the cause of increase in population? All these are find out with the study of population ecology. Population ecology examines the population distribution and density of that species. Population density is the number of individuals in particular area or volume of the area. This helps in the determining the particular species is endangered or its number is to be controlled and resources to be replenished. When you study the population ecology, the number of problems that are find out and the exact cause of that problem can be find out. When you study the population, a set of individuals in particular area is known as population. When you study the population, the rate of increase in population, the exact cause आपण फाइंड आउट करू शकतो. एखाद्या ठिकाणचं पॉप्युलेशन कमी होत असेल तर त्याचं एक्झॅक्ट कारण आपण स्टडी ऑफ पॉप्युलेशन इकॉलॉजी जर आपण केली व्यवस्थितरित्या तर आपण त्याचं एक्झॅक्ट कॉज आपण माहीत करून घेऊ शकतो. पॉप्युलेशन इकॉलॉजी अप्लाय इन व्हेरियस लेवल्स. स्टडी ऑफ पॉप्युलेशन इकॉलॉजी इज अप्लाइड इन व्हेरियस लेवल. पॉप्युलेशन डेन्सिटी त्या ठिकाणी किती आहे याची माहिती आपल्याला होते. त्यासोबतच काय होतं, पॉप्युलेशन डेन्सिटीमध्ये एखादी स्पेसिस आपण जर पॉप्युलेशन कन्सिडर केलं तर एखादी स्पेसिस त्या ठिकाणी इंडेंजर आहे का. द टायगर्स इन इंडिया इज इंडेंजर्ड. व्हाय? देर आर व्हेरी फ्यू टायगर्स दॅट आर प्रेझेंट स्टील. सो इंडेंजर्ड स्पेसिस आपण फाइंड आउट करू शकतो. त्यासोबतच एखाद्या ठिकाणचं पॉप्युलेशन एक्सप्लोजन आहे, खूप मोठ्या प्रमाणावर त्या ठिकाणी पॉप्युलेशन प्रेझेंट आहे, तर जे रिसोर्सेस आहेत हे रिसोर्सेस मॅनेज करू शकतो आपण. अशा प्रकारचा पॉप्युलेशन इकॉलॉजीचा अभ्यास करून या सर्व गोष्टी आपण पाहू शकतो. ऑर्गॅनिझमल इकॉलॉजी. Organizational ecology is the study of individual organisms' behavior. Organisms' behavior, study of organisms' behavior, morphological study, physiological study आपण through that ecology करू शकतो. In respect to the environmental challenges, it looks at how individual organisms interacts with biotic and abiotic components. Ecologists research how organisms are adapted to these non-living and living components of their surroundings. ऑर्गॅनिझम लेवलवर जर इकॉलॉजीचा आपण अभ्यास केला तर ऑर्गॅनिझमचं बिहेवियर याचा अभ्यास आपल्याला करता येतो, त्याची फिजिओलॉजीचा अभ्यास करता येतो, मॉर्फोलॉजीचा अभ्यास करता येतो. हाऊ द ऑर्गॅनिझम्स बिहेव to other organisms and the environments, and what is the effect of environment, or what is the effect of other organisms, or what is the effect of that organisms on other organisms and environment, we can find out easily. Molecular ecology. Last, the study of ecology focuses on the production of proteins and how these proteins affect the organisms and the environment. Study of ecology focuses on the production of proteins and how these proteins affect the organisms and their environment. This happens at molecular level. DNA forms the proteins that interact with each other and the environment. These interactions give rise to some complex organisms. In next chapter lecture you can see the importance of ecology or scope of ecology. Thank you.